Hey there kids, this is Math Recovery, and right above this video is a black button that says download the worksheet, and you can follow along with me. I'm going to do the first 3 problems on this worksheet, and then you can continue on your own. You can do 3 or 4 of these problems each night, and attached to the worksheet is an answer key, and you can check your own answers on the key. And when you think you know how to do it, you can come see me, and the third sheet is a test out sheet, and it's worth a lemon drop if you can do it on your own. Okay, well, let's take a look at today's problem. We have this. Can you read that number? 30,002 minus 2,830. Okay, so let's do this right here. Let's start doing our subtraction. We have in the ones column, we have 2 minus 0. You have 2 bananas, and I want to take 0 away, and that's going to leave you with, that's going to leave you with 2, right? So that works out just fine. Then we get over to the tens column, okay? And in the tens column, we have no tens minus 3 tens. Is that 3? No. If I had no bananas, could you take 3 away from me? No, because I had none, right? So the number up on top, the digit, always has to be bigger than the one on the bottom in order to do subtraction. And so we need to borrow to make that happen. But watch this. I go next door to borrow, and nobody's home. I have to go next door again, and nobody's home. I have to go all the way over here to borrow. And watch what happens now. This is 10,000s place, right? There's 3 10,000s. Let's borrow one of those, and that's going to leave us with 2 10,000s. Now I can take one of those 10,000s and put it right here in the thousands place, and that gives me 1 10,000, right? I took it from here and I put it over here. Now, we need to keep borrowing to make this digit bigger. So let's borrow 1 from here. That would leave us with 9,000 right there. And I can put that 1 right here. Okay? That would leave us with 10 hundreds right here, which would be 10 hundreds is really 1,000, isn't it? And I took that 1,000 from right here. Let's borrow from here because we still have to go bring it all the way over here to make it work. So let's take 1 away from this 10. Let's cross that off, and let's make that a 9 because I'm going to take 1 away from there. And I'm going to put that 1 right here. I took away 1 of the hundreds, and I put it in the tens column, and that gave us 10 tens, and that makes 100. Now I'm going to borrow from this hundreds column. Let's cross that off and make that a 9. And I'm going to take 1. Oh, wait a second. I blew that, didn't I? Get the eraser, kids. I was asleep on the job. We don't need to borrow because watch this. If that's 10 right there, now we can subtract, can't we? Boy, am I glad you were here to catch that. 10 minus 3, that equals how much? 7, right? And now look at this digit is now bigger than this one, so we can subtract here also. That's fine. 9 minus 8. That equals 1. Okay, let's go over to the thousands column. 9 minus 2. Well, how much is that going to be? That's going to be a 7, right? And then over here, we have 2 minus nothing. There's nothing there. So let's just put a 2 right there, okay? And let's put in our comma. The comma goes every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. The comma is going to go right there. Our answer is 27,172. Okay, at first it seems a little bit scary because you have to kind of be neat up here and you have to do so much work, but you can do it. Remember that practice makes perfect. And if you can do this on the third sheet of this packet, I will give you a lemon drop. Okay? You can do this. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.